Installing a solar system with zero out-of-pocket cost might be an unhard proposition, but it is possible. Hi, I am Mohidul Saad, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. I will show you in next 3.5 minutes how you can install solar system on your rooftop without spending a dime out of your pocket.
Have you ever thought of installing a solar system on your rooftop but backed off due to the high cost of solar system installation? If you have, you are not alone. Many homeowners like yourself want to save money by using the free source of energy, which is the sun, but did not have the means or the know-how to get it done in an affordable manner. Give me 3.5 minutes and I will show you how you can be a proud owner of a solar system without spending a dime from your own pocket. Understandably, you're worried about the high cost of solar system installation, but on the contrary, the cost has actually gone down significantly, and many low or zero out-of-pocket cost options, which did not even exist only a few years ago, are now available to you and homeowners like yourself. One of the most important zero out-of-pocket cost options for solar system installation is known as solar leasing. You have heard of leasing a car, or might be a proud owner of a leased car. Solar leasing is similar to leasing a car, but better. When you lease a car, you have to maintain it and pay for your own fuel. When you go with solar leasing, you don't have to worry about maintenance, and the fuel comes from the sun, which is free for you to use 365 days of the year. The solar leasing company will install the solar system and maintain it for you. And all you have to do in return is pay a fee, as lease. The extra electricity, which you don't use, will go back to your power company grid, and they will then pay you back for the extra electricity. This is a very profitable option for most of you, since the electric bill and the lease payment combined are usually less than your pre-solar lease electric bill. Let's assume that your pre-solar lease electric bill was $200 and your post-solar lease electric bill is $80, and your savings come out to be $120. Even if you pay $100 for your solar lease payment, you save $20 a month and $240 a year. In this model, you get your solar system installed for free, receive significantly reduced electric bills, and your power company pays you back for the extra electricity your solar system sends over to the power company. You win by not having to spend any money on the solar system installation. Your family wins, as the extra money can be used for other expenses, and the environment wins because there are less greenhouse gases being put into the air.
If you want to save money and the environment, please visit SolarInstallGuru.com and make an appointment for a free solar inspection today. You'll also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to SolarInstallGuru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook of $40 value for just visiting the site. The ebook titled 101 Ways to Install Solar System with Little or No Out-of-Pocket Cost covers in depth how you can save thousands of dollars, reduce greenhouse gases, and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses covering topics such as solar savings, solar impact, on the environment, various solar rebates, solar financing, and solar maintenance, to name a few. I would like you to join our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Follow us on Twitter at Solar INST Guru and like us on facebook.com/Solar INSTALL Guru. Thank you.